Hey guys, welcome back again to Ametroid and it's Amit. So the best ported Oxygen OS from OnePlus 7 Pro. Now I have been using this ROM like for the past couple of days. So after using this ROM on my Redmi Note 5 Pro, actually is pretty amazing and kind of surprised me, like literally surprised me. Now as compared to other OnePlus ported ROMs, it's actually pretty amazing. So performance wise, this ROM is very super fast and smooth with pretty much everything is working, and compared to the first version of this ROM, there are so many changes. I mean, bugs like brightness issues, Wi-Fi not working sometimes, and few other changes. So now it's a ported ROM. So there always a but. I mean, I can't say that it is bugless like the fingerprint problem for the lock screen. Now for that, you have to like double tap on fingerprint to unlock first for wake up and second to unlock. And also face lock is not working. Well, it is not working in any other ROM, so it is always like not working. And now rebooting issue. Now it can be resolved by flashing a patch file, but it's still a bug. Now apart from that, this ROM is almost bugless. Like there are no random reboot, and battery drain is not like a major issue. I mean, it's above average and gives you a pretty good screen on time, like up to 6 hours, max 6 hours. And also temperature while playing games, I would say that it's pretty amazing, and it's run on 60 fps like on PUBG like a charm. But the full video on gaming is coming tomorrow, so stay tuned for that on custom ROM gaming episode. So talking about the camera, the Pixel 3 camera is working perfectly without any issue, but I don't know, it's lagging sometimes. It happens, but sometimes it lags. But taking photos and taking videos and 1080p at 60 fps and 30 fps is working perfectly. But if you go to the settings and choose Ultra HD option, I don't know why it is not capable of shooting Ultra HD 4K videos. So maybe you have to install another APK or another developer's Gcam for Redmi Note 5 Pro for trying that. But 1080p at 60 is working smoothly. And for the OP camera, the stock camera from Oxygen OS is working perfectly without any issues. There's no problem literally for the front camera and for the back camera, and recording videos, taking photos is very easy and working without issues and without any lag. Now its interface is pretty much like every other OxygenOS ROM, and it's come with Kangaroo X kernel 4.8, and noise cancellation is not a problem. I mean, like the mic problem in PUBG in OnePlus 5T ROM, which is one of the stable ROM available for Redmi Note 5 Pro yet, but in this ROM, OnePlus 7 ROM, there is no issue. Mic is working properly and noise cancellation is working properly. You do not need to turn it off in the phone settings like in the OnePlus 5T ROM, so it's working perfectly. And the ambient display, I mean, the ambient display is like dope with that edge notification pop up, look very amazing. But the one tap to wake up in settings, when you go to the display and tap on ambient display, this tap the screen to show is not working sometimes, but it's not like that, it's a minor issue, but it doesn't matter. Ambient display is dope. And double tap to wake up is also working, and also stuck at vibration mode is also not a problem anymore. And also GameSpace app is also available here. And the most amazing thing in this ROM, that the Dolby Atmos, when you go to the settings, sound and vibration, you can see the Dolby Atmos option, and it is working very perfectly. While even while playing games, you feel that boosted sound in this ROM, even on sound coming from the speaker. So it's pretty much amazing. And earphones, the Dolby Atmos earphones is literally amazing, and pretty much everything is working here. There are no issues, and you can use it as your daily driver. The live wallpaper, no lag, no stuck at any phase. It's almost stable ROM, so you can use it as a daily driver. Now let me show you how to install this ROM. So first you have to turn off your phone. After turning off, press the power button and volume up button simultaneously, as you know. like this. Now as you can see that I'm using Pitch Black Recovery Project, and first what you have to do is download the file which I have given in the description, the link. And after downloading it, go to recovery and like this, and go to wipe section, advanced wipe, and click on Dalvik, system, cache, data, vendor. Now I don't know if you're able to see or that because of the theme like this. I'm not changing it right now. So Dalvik, system, cache, data, and vendor, you have to click check on that, and swipe to wipe. So I'm not swiping because I have a lot of data which I have not backup. So before wiping that, make sure you have a backup of this, your current ROM or any other stock ROM you are currently on. So after that, after wiping, click on install and click on this file you have to download in download sections, OnePlus 7 Pro file. Click on this and swipe to install. So after installing this, just click on reboot, and the first reboot takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So now you can see that it finally booted up, and it's not like that you have to set up your phone blah and everything else, but everything is working pretty much here. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and comment down if you face any problem, and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and see you guys in the next video.